Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to calculate shipping delivery charges based on product weight in cart page in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. So we have 3 product and then you see subtotal 230. So we are going to charge shipping charges based on product weight, total order. Now go to single product page and then you see SKU. Also you see shipping weight. We added 10 kg for this product. So this is our product. So we are going to charge shipping charges based on product weight, total order. Now go to setting and then you see multiple option and then you see shipping, delivery and fulfillment. So click on it. So we are in shipping and delivery and then you see customer can't purchase physical product. Now you see new region. So we are going to add it. So click on it and then you see region, add the destination. Now select rest of the world. So you can add countries according to requirement. Now select it. So if you want you can add multiple countries and then you see shipping. Select how shipping is calculated, free shipping. Now select and then you see rate by weight, calculate rate based on the total weight of a customer order. Now select. So you can add shipping name. So we added name, standard shipping charges on weight. If you want you can add estimate delivery time. So it's optional. And then you see weight range 0 kg minimum, maximum kg. So we are going to add 10. So if our customer order total weight between 0 kg and 10 kg, then we are going to charge $100. Now you see rate and then you see another range 10 kg up to maximum. So we are going to add more. So click on add range. Now you see 10 kg. Now add 20 kg. So now between 10 kg to 20 kg customer order weight, we are going to charge 200 and then you see 20 kg. So up to we are going to charge 300. So you can add ranges according to requirement and you can add weight and prices according to requirement. And then you see multiple option. If you want you can add local delivery pickup and then click on save. And then you see shipping and delivery added. Now you see shipping rate by weight $100 to $300. Now go to cart page and refresh the page and then you see in cart page order summary subtotal 210, delivery 100. It's mean our customer order weight between 0 to 10 kg. Now increase quantity and then you see subtotal 230 and then you see shipping delivery charges 200 because customer order weight between 10 to 20 kg. Again increase. Now you see subtotal 250 but you see delivery charges 300. It's mean our customer order total weight is between 20 to up to maximum. So you can set rate according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.